welcome to Morning Bulletin. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Let's dive into the top stories of the day. Opposition leaders criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi after the section of the roof at Delhi Airport's Terminal 1 collapsed amidst heavy rainfall, resulting in at least one death. The terminal, which was recently expanded to accommodate more passengers, was inaugurated by PM Modi in March. The opposition accused PM Modi of hastily inaugurating an incomplete terminal to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections. PM Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for 15 airport projects worth Rs 9,800 crore on March 10, including the expanded Terminal 1. The Deputy Speaker post vacant in Narendra Modi's second term is expected to be filled by an NDA member, breaking the tradition. The decision follows a breakdown of trust during the recent dialogues over the Speaker's post. The government aims to appease the allies like Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar, both interested in the Speaker post. The announcement is anticipated soon, indicating government's firm stance amidst the growing acrimony with the opposition. The government is ready to confront the opposition over the alleged irregularities in the NEET UG exam in Parliament. Uproar ensued in the Lok Sabha as the newly elected members took oath, with several opposition MPs raising slogans about the NEET issue. The opposition is expected to bring up the matter during the motion of thanks to the President's address. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan may intervene if the NEET issue arises in the Lok Sabha. Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray had a chance encounter with former ally and BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis in the State Assembly. A video of their meeting while waiting for a lift inside the Vidhan Sabha went viral, sparking social media buzz. This encounter comes amid the rumors of tensions within the BJP-led Mahayuti and the Maha Vikas Aghadi alliances. Thackeray later told the media that the meeting was coincidental. Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, met the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to express his displeasure over the reference to the emergency made in the House. Gandhi deemed the reference clearly political, stating it could have been avoided. Congress Secretary K.C. Venugopal reported on the meeting, which included Samajwadi Party MP Dimple Yadav, RJD MP Meesa Bharti and NCP Sharad Pawar faction leader Supriya Sule. The Shiromani Akali Dal will support the Bahujan Samaj Party candidate in Jalandhar West Assembly by poll, abandoning its official candidate. The decision follows a rebellion by two panel members who selected the official candidate against the party chief Sukhbir Singh Baddal. As the last day for the changing authorized candidate has passed, SAD is unable to alter its decision for the official nomination. The Himachal Pradesh government is launching the Himachal Pradesh Early Childhood Care and Education Tutor Scheme for children aged 3 to 6 years. Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu announced that 6,297 pre-primary sections in primary schools currently serve around 60,000 children, with 2,377 Anganwadis co-located with these schools. The scheme aligns with the new education policy, aiming for the comprehensive early childhood development. Jio, India's top telecom operator, will raise mobile service rates by 12 to 27% starting from July 3rd and limit the unlimited free 5G services for the customers. This rate hike, has the first time in about 2.5 years, comes after the recent spectrum auction, as anticipated by the industry experts. Jio, with over 47 crore subscribers and a 41% market share, is expected to be followed by a similar rate hikes from the Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea. That's all for this episode of Morning Bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.